All right, here's some fun. We're going to call into one of these internet radio shows. This is a psychic. Claims she has psychic powers.
You're listening to Expert Psychic. Hello, you're on air live.
My name's Rusty Stephanopoulos. How are you?
Good, how are you?
Believe it or not, I'm actually a campaign worker for Hillary Clinton.
Oh, that's awesome.
And she's trying to get her word out. Would you mind if I put her on the phone real quick?
That would be awesome.
Hi, this is Hillary Clinton, and I am running for president.
Hello, Mrs. Hillary Clinton. This is exciting. Great.
I'd like to speak about the Iran nuclear deal.
Yes, please do. Oh, wow. I'm just shocked.
I'm on the other line here. She's a little under the weather, but we're going to do the best we can, okay?
Okay.
Excuse me, just 1 second.
Yes, absolutely.
To hold Iran's government and Revolutionary Guard.
Well, what always bothered me, that Russia would be next to Iran to get into it. They both border half of the city, and I always thought that for years.
Oh, there goes my whole lunch.
Oh my gosh, I can't believe you're on. I don't even know.
I'm fine now.
Okay.
And we also have to go after extremists.
Absolutely, I agree. I really admire you, Mrs. Clinton. Well, of course, the best way, obviously, is always through communication. I think,
Oh, boy. I think that's breakfast.
Okay. Well, I know most people, they don't want any more wars. But at the same time, it does have to be stopped.
As I was saying. I'm fine now.
Okay. Absolutely fine.
I need some water.
Do you happen to have some water?
I'm going to see if someone else has some for you. Let me put somebody else on.
I need some water. Yeah, some water over here.
247?
Yes. Hang up on these jerks right now.
What?
Hang up on them. Hang up on these jerks. Wow, this is fake. Hang up on him. That's not Hillary Clinton.
I did. Who was that?
It was just some jokers.
All right. It sounded like her. I just didn't know. Jerk off.
He's such a jerk. Ugh.
I do think she's probably kind of desperate, but I prefer Donald Trump over everybody, but that's all a joke anyway, because Obama remains president. I know this. I'm psychic.